you're trying to 10x your income.
That's right.
It's totally possible.
Yeah. And that requires interacting with other humans, at least in the mortgage business, for sure.
Yeah, but doing it skillfully.
Yeah.
That's the thing that upsets me is people think that, oh, well, if I just interact with James, right?
Yep.
Hey, James, how's it going? That now all of a sudden, James, by the way, James doesn't owe you anything.
That's right.
Right? Just because you interacted with somebody, they don't owe you a damn thing, right? You have to do it skillfully. Hey, James, there's something going on that every agent in Houston's having to deal with right now. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of what's going on.
Mhm.
Yeah. What's going on? You guys are working harder than ever before. You've got, full-time job letting sellers know that the house probably isn't worth what they think it's worth because they were, they're distracted by the numbers that Zillow, the Zestimate
Yep.
from 2023 is still printed out and pinned on their dream wall. Here's the problem, though. Once you do get a buyer, you got that whole mess with the seller, they're getting spooked. Right? One little thing, and now all of a sudden Palisades is going to hold interest rates set. We have more and more buyers that are just going, hey, I'm going to pass. We're going to rent. I'm going to stay where I'm at. Listen, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of talking to these potential buyers that are getting to put in an offer, even if they're not going to do the loan through me, if you want to have a nice, calm voice to have a conversation with them, because I am seeing so many real estate agents do so much work only to have a deal on the 11th hour completely fall apart over a buyer being paranoid about rates or what's going on here. And it's breaking my heart. Anything I can do. If you're frustrated, I just wanted you to let you know it's not you, right? I work with hundreds of agents that are in the exact same position as you. It's going to get better. We don't know when, but anything you need from me or my team, I got a great team behind me. Right? It's all you'd have to do.
Yeah.
But that's a lot different than, first of all, 99% of people aren't even going to reach out to James, the real estate agent at Keller Williams or Remax or whatever. 1% is going to reach out and go, hey, James, it's Matt with Interlink Mortgage. If you need anything, I'm here. And then by the way, when James doesn't send you business, guess who the bad guy is? Not you for not being skilled. You're like, oh, that James with his face on the billboards. He sure is arrogant. Yeah, I called him a whopping 2 times and he did not send a single deal to me.
Yeah.
Right? Like, I can't break through. It's a good old No, it's not a good old boys thing. Right? James is just sending business to the person he's sending business to because he doesn't know any better, because you haven't stepped in and gotten his attention, delivered an insight, offered to help him whether he's a client or not. Right?
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.